Hello and welcome to my custom Lego Friends boat, and let me tell you, this was a real challenge to build. So we start at the front where we have 2 deck chairs, a table, some flippers and then a bucket and a telescope just on the side. And then we have the main body of the boat from one side and then from the other side, and then on top we just have a jacuzzi and a little lookout post as well. So we can open up the back doors like this, or we can also open up the front door which just goes completely out the way. So then we can get inside where we have the shelves, we have the beds that come down at night time but can be put up in the daytime to save on space. And then we have the toilet and the shower, a little desk with a computer and a phone on, and then the kitchen area with an oven, a sink and a little cupboard for storage. If you'd like to see how I built this boat without using traditional boat mould like they do in most of the Lego Friends sets, then please make sure to check out my channel and like this video if you enjoyed.